Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel Handmade. I've made a Nissan Skyline of Plasticine. Do you know this car from the movie Too Fast, Too Furious? I've made this car of sculptural plasticine. It took me about 60 hours of work. At first, I've started with the bottom of the car. Then I've made the car body elements, the interior, engine, and so on. In the process of car paint, the most difficult thing was to make the side stripes. I made them with thin, sticky tape. First, I outlined the stripes, and then applied the paint. And after drying, I removed the tape and got smooth lines. The same method was used on the hood. I tried to detail this car, even the interior. I did everything as it was in the movie. Also, I detailed the bottom of the car, made the exhaust system, suspension elements, and so on. Let's check out the engine. It's RB26 engine. Displacement is 2.5 liters, 280 PS. Acceleration to 104 seconds. The maximum speed is 250 kilometers per hour. The wheels are set at an angle so they do not bend. The inner part of the wheels were reinforced with wire. Therefore, when the car is on wheels, all the weight presses on the inside of the wheels. It allows the wheels to maintain their shapes without deformations. This is one of the most detailed models I've ever made. The scale model is 1/24th. I made it for my collection. I will put it on the desktop and check how long it will survive at room temperature. I made every effort to the creation of Paul Walkers. It wasn't a quick job. Please consider giving it a like. Now I'm going to show you how to create it step by step. I have plenty of such videos for you. So if you liked it, subscribe to the channel and give me the thumbs up. I will hone my craft to please you with the new improved Plasticine cars. Thanks for watching my video. See you!